decide to get involved in this project?
My character in 50 Dead Men Walking starts the film as an ordinary man. Yes, he's doing a very difficult job, but basically it's an ordinary man doing things his way in a rather enclosed way, not really connecting with anybody dramatically. And at the end of the film, he does something extraordinary, risking his life and his job to save the life of the guy that he recruits to spy for him. So my attraction was the arc. It's always the arc with me. It's not necessarily the guy. It's his journey that fascinates me. There's nothing really fascinating about Fergus, but what's fascinating is his journey.
So how would you define the film?
And do you want to just hold down?
How's that?
How would you define this film?
I would define it as mainly a thriller, but within the thriller are two male journeys and a female journey, the girl who plays Jim's wife, and the thriller takes place in very compressed circumstances. The compression of those years in Northern Ireland where the British forces were up against the Irish Republican Army, and they were both very disciplined and very committed, very tough forces. So we get this this male emotional and physical drama played out in a very tough, tight context, which I think it makes the boxing ring tighter. You know, if you have a boxing ring that's the size of a football pitch, where's the boxing match? If you compress it into a boxing ring and observe those rules, it's much more dramatic to watch. So I'm saying that the terrorist context is like the boxing ring in which the drama plays out.
What type of themes do you feel identified when you're working?
Themes?
Themes or subjects?
Yeah. For me, because my early theatre work was with Shakespeare, the themes are the patterns of human behaviour. I'm fascinated by patterns of human behaviour, and it's almost like a mathematical dance for me. So this thriller, being a classic thriller, also has within it the human dance, the human patterns of behaviour that shift throughout the drama. So I recognise patterns when I read a script, and if I can recognise the pattern, dramatic pattern, then I'm on board. It's like recognising a piece of music, you know.
What are your personal favourites among the films you've done?
You see, I pause because I'm spoiled. I'm really spoiled. It's amazing that I can even pause to think, because I have definitely more than one favourite. And even if I give you a list, I'm going to leave this sofa and think, oh, I forgot that one. Gandhi, Schindler's List, Sexy Beast, House of Sand and Fog, Elegy would be my 5 treasured experiences.
And do you have any anecdote you can tell us about having done this film that happened during the shoot? A curious incident?
I think the anecdote is a sort of illustration of the whole film. It's just that when Jim Sturgess and I had our most violent confrontation in the film, and we felt very secure, like boxers in the ring. We were in a small office, ramming our anger at each other. And at the end of acting that scene, which involved a slap in the face, and Jim was practically spitting in my face with rage, a woman comes from behind the camera and says, "That was great." and you think, oh God, yes, this is a woman directing this film, and that was very interesting for us, you know. Mum comes from behind the camera and says, "Very good, boys." It's great.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.